Hi, these are the points that have been implemented. So 99% of the work is done. So these are the points that I'll be explaining today. First one is the HR code inclusion. So I was asked to add the employee HR code into the application. So I'll show you the point number one first. So I open the file. I enter the password, login password, and click on login. Now if I click on the DEO form, you can see a new field called HR code has been added. So supposing if I add HR code for employee Rizwana Tabassum as HR1234-56, and I also add a username for her, Rizwana. So I just close the form. So this was HR code inclusion into the application. Second point is effect of DEO name drop down. So if we go to the evaluation form, so this is the new layout of our form right now. So what you are seeing is the first block. We have got 16 total blocks, and what I am going to show you here is how the DEO name drop down will work. I click on add record. I select the hub name, supposing it's Islamabad, and Rizwana Tabassum. I want to select Rizwana Tabassum. Here it is. So the moment I will select Rizwana Tabassum, you will see that the HR code and the usernames will be and they will be pulled from the DEO form. Okay, so you don't need to enter them. So you'll just select Rizwana Tabassum, and HR code and username are automatically picked up. Evaluation months, February, 1st February to say it is 29th of February. So this is block number one. Okay. So I wanted to show you how the DEO, by clicking on DEO drop down, you select the HR, you pull the HR code and also the username. Other point is add DEO and hub name from the evaluations form. Okay. Okay. Another thing that I was asked that you see that you have to enter the DEO name and the hub from here. So what we want is that supposing we are entering a record, we are entering a new record. Supposing we were on Rizwana Tabassum record. So here, if you want to add or modify an existing hub name, or if you want to add a new employee or edit the data of a previous employee by staying at this record. So I have added two buttons for that. Supposing we want to add location Gujar Khan. So for that I click on this button, a pop-up form will open showing all the hub names. I enter Gujar Khan, and as I click on close, now my drop down is refresh. You can see Gujar Khan now. So by staying on the current record on evaluations form, you can enter the hub name. The same goes for the DEO name. Supposing if you want to change the spellings of Rizwana Tabassum, or we want to add a new employee, like if I want to add Zishan Aslam Durrani in DEO names, so I go to DEO. At the end, I write Zishan Durrani. I give a username, Zishan Aslam Durrani. I give an HR code. Now I close it. As soon as I close it, now I can select the new employee that has been added into the DEO, and you can see the HR code and usernames are auto populated. So this functionality is also done. So the last functionality that I want to show is next field functionality. You remember last time we had several fields here, and there were lots of fields here. So I have divided the fields into 16 small blocks, and I have implemented a next button. Right now, I'm on the first block where we fill the hub name, DEO name, HR, and the tenure. Now I click on next. I will come to the point number 2, and I select login status written to get 1 point. So you can see the points will be auto calculated on each block. They will be calculated at runtime, at live. And in live status description, I can write mention. So I further click on next. I will land on block number 3, DO status not written, gets 0.0 not mentioned. So I'll keep on clicking on next and keep on selecting the values, and you can see the total marks will keep on updating. So 5 is added. Now go to the 6th block. If I select, I want to select 100%, get 5 marks, 5 marks added. So I'll go on entering record for one evaluation record of one DEO in a particular hub. So as soon as I'll reach the 16 block, I will be notified that I have concluded the evaluation of a single data entry operator. Here you go. So this is the last block, block number 16. I've been informed with a message box, with a pop-up box, that you have reached the end of the evaluation mechanism. I click on OK. I can give marks to the last block, supposing 100%. He gets 20 points, and 20 points are added to it. So this was a next mechanism. In the same way, so this is how you will be entering the data of a single DEO. So now if you click on add record button, you again come to the first block with empty fields. Now you can enter the name of a new DEO, evaluation details of a new DEO. So this is how the next field works, and these buttons are also synced with this mechanism. Secondly, you can see there are 2 buttons. One is show all and the other is start. What show all button does is that it will reveal all the 16 tabs. So I click on show all. You can see all the 16 tabs have been revealed, showing their data. So if I want to search something, I can write here, for example, Rizwana Tabassum. So I just wrote RIZ and control immediately jumped onto the Rizwana Tabassum record, which was in tab number 1. So this is very dynamic. By showing all, clicking on showing all the 16 blocks are revealed, and if you click on search, you type anything, wherever that data exists, in whatever tab, the tab will be shown just in front of you. So this is how show all works. And now if you want to start a new record, you click again on add record, and these 16 tabs will be hidden. In the same way, what you can do is there's another option called start. If you click on start, you should reach the starting position of this form, where only one tab should be visible and keeping the remaining tabs hidden. So I click on start, and you can see the same kind of situation where all the other tabs are hidden. So 99% of the work is done. The only thing that's left is the 2 zeros that are shown in our report after in percentage numbers. So I think that's a minor thing that will be done. The major things were this next button and other functionalities that we have implemented successfully. Thank you very much.